motorcycle is whatever you want to make it. Turn it on, you can give yourself a real thrill.
going on, guys? This is Carl with the RacerRed channel. Just riding Cambridge, and this trail has not been receiving enough use, so it's looking pretty rough. But man, the views up here are panoramic. this needs way more use. Crazy beautiful up here. You really have to look for these trail signs. I like how over here it's really not that bad as far as the rock, that unforgiving rock. But this is pretty good. Trail closed. See, I have a problem with this. Big fat trail closed sign. You have to really look at the fine print. To motorized vehicles over 40 inches wide. Foot, horse, motorbike traffic permitted. It's just... Alright, I mean, put the sign up, but you could definitely do it different than that. You shouldn't have to look at it that close to see that the trail isn't actually closed. You could put like the width of a machine, like 40 inches or wider, and then put an X across it. But to say trail closed is... Yeah, I don't want to get too negative, but I do think that's a tactic. See, some people say that 450s are trail killers. Not true. Not true at all. If you're riding any bike properly and not spinning, and actually getting traction, you're doing your job. 450 is definitely a lot of power, but unless you're doing hill climbs, you're not tearing anything up. This is not a beautiful lake. This is pretty small. I don't know if this can be considered a lake or a pond or what. But it looks like the trail keeps going that direction. So I'm going to try to follow it out. Cleared this out a bit with my trusty silky big boy handsaw. But just so you guys know, I did have to go around one section because the tree was just too dang big. I know that's gonna irk some people because I've got some commies. I know I've got some commies that watch. Oh. But I cleared all this out for you guys. another ugly pond right there. I've got to say though, the nice thing about riding this bike, it just always runs perfect. Always. It runs hot. Definitely runs hot. Well, that runs into a loop that was snowed in not very long ago. So this is either going to be a gigantic loop or I'm going to have to backtrack. I haven't taken in any liquids yet. I need to keep up on that. That was a rough go. I'm gonna catch my breath and get a drink. Peace. Well, this is, as you can see, a deadfall like crazy. This is the trail right here. This is gonna take a chainsaw crew right here. Dang it. Which means I'm gonna have to backtrack. In fact, I probably don't have too much time right now. So I guess I'll just backtrack and make this an out and back trip.